Hello friends, today I want to make a quick unboxing of a very exciting watch that I just received. I am so happy receiving it. Well, you have read the title of the video. This is the new Traska Summiteer, so it's not a surprise. And here is the shipping, the envelope in which it came, and it's already cut. So I'm going to just go ahead first show the watch that I'm wearing. It's the Cylinder C63 from Christopher Ward. I'm making a review of the watch, but first I want to show you this watch I'm so excited about. Okay, it comes very well protected in this plastic. I really like this kind of plastic. I have another one and I skipped it because it's if I ever need it, it's very, very good to protect the watch. So here is the case. Let me take it out the box. It's a little bit tight, but okay. Now here is the invoice, I suppose. Okay, now here is the carton box. It's a small one, very simple, straight to the point. I really like that. And here is okay, now there's a second box. It's the white box, and inside should be the watch. This is the moment. Oh, there is another. Okay, yes, there is a carrying case, a very good, strong one. A very in black leather. Okay, and now here is the final moment, the watch. I'm very excited with this one. Let's see it. I'm nervous because I have high hopes in the dial redesign of the watch. Oh, and here it is. Oh, now that's a beauty. It's already running. I moved the box a little bit before I opened it. And now here it is. Hope you see it. I don't know if you see it all right. This is a little bit improvised, so I'm sorry about the quality of the sound and everything. I hope it picks up the sound. But yes, here it is. This is in green, in sage green. This is in sage green, and you already can tell the difference. I mean, this is. I'm chuffed bits. It's beautiful. The way the dial looks, it's amazing. Now here is the prior version for comparison. Of course, I'll make a full review. And now you can see this is what I talked about in the review that I made of the Traska, that the dial is quite open and it wears much bigger than the size of the watch, than the 38.5, but now I think this is more true to the size of the watch. The first impressions is, I mean, it's great. The numbers, I see that they are a little bit smaller, and now the dial is totally different. Not only because of the color, of course, the color is different. Yeah, you can tell the inner circle much better with this green one, but even in the black one, with the size of these numbers, now you can see the minute track much clearer than in the older version. Let's see if I can make a close up. So yeah, here it goes. So both watches have the same size, but this looks bigger than the green one, than the new one. Otherwise, it's the very same watch, the same movement inside and everything. Oh, I am so happy with the changes. I really think they really nailed it with the new dial. Much more proportionate, a beauty. They also changed the anti-reflecting coating on the underside. Now it's a clear one. I think that's more professional, more elegant. And this is something that I didn't notice in the first version. Is the end link now is a little bit protruding, which makes it more refined. That's a very good addition also. So all in all, I am so happy with the watch. I am chuffed to bits. This is simply beautiful. This is going to be a big one. That's a great small changes of 1 millimeter makes a whole difference, a world of a difference in this watch. They really hit the mark with this one. Congratulations for the team. Very happy to feel that I have been part of these changes somehow, and I cannot wait to make the first impression review once I wear it a little bit and the whole review. And well, yeah, that's all. Well, thank you very much for watching. You can tell I'm very excited with this new release. So thank you everybody, and hope to be with you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.